Hey, this is Adam with Heavy Metal Automotive. I'm going to show you this 2006 Ford F550 we have for sale. It's got an 11-foot maintainer bed on it, 3,500 pound crane, hydraulic Quincy air compressor, hydraulic outriggers. This is a one-owner truck. I think I just said that, from California. It has no rust. It's a very nice truck. It's got a lot of miles on it, but the engine was replaced 50,000 miles ago. The truck's got 345 on it. But and I'm not a salesperson. I don't try to sell people on anything. If you want it, you want it. If you don't, you don't. But my experience with these higher mileage trucks is they're actually better trucks than the lower mileage one, because everything's already been fixed on it. It's already had an engine put in, it's had a transmission put in, it's probably had a rear end put in, it's done had the front end rebuilt on it. All these trucks with higher mileage that I get, they're really better trucks than some of the lower mileage ones. And you can just tell whoever had this truck took care of it. All these trucks are one driver trucks, and you can just tell, I call it pride of ownership. Even though it's not their truck, you can tell they took care of it. And it's got the maintainer bed on it, which is my favorite bed. They're just hard to beat. One thing I will tell you, the driver's seat in this truck, we have it getting repaired. It had a little rip in it, not bad at all. So this is a seat out of another truck, but it will have the matching seat in it. We're supposed to have it this afternoon. I just wanted to get it online, but it will have the matching driver's seat in it. It's cloth, and it's going to be completely recovered. This is a Ford reman engine. It was put in, like I said, 50,000 miles ago. Got a place for your welder here. They always pull them off, more than likely. Another toolbox here. The maintainer has the nicest toolboxes too. That's a Quincy QT-S-5 hydraulic air compressor. Tires are in fair condition. They still got some tread on them. You got a few little spots in them, but the truck drives good. So we're trying to keep the price down on it a little bit. So they still got some life left in them, so I didn't put new tires on it. And that thing slides up, vise, step there. I'm gonna start her up, show you the crane and the compressor, outriggers. Work lights. What other ones we got going on here? Air compressor. Needs an input on it here. Definitely got wind. lights. Work light there. It's got apartment lights, yeah, apartment lights. Apartment lights on our crane. Here's where you work your outriggers. And that one goes in, they go in and out, but you have to pull those little levers there. All that works like it should. Turn these lights on. $345,021. Alright, if you're interested in this truck, give us a call, 256-310-6852. Our website's heavymetalauto.com. You can go on there and check out pictures of it. This is a very nice truck for the mileage. This is a nice truck for 100,000 miles, honestly. The bed's super nice. The bed's worth what we're going to sell the truck for, if not more. So you're basically buying the bed and getting the truck with it. I'm actually going to go down this road here and show you how good this thing drives. Steering wheel doesn't shake. The front end's tight on this thing. It's just a really nice truck. If you're interested, give us a call, 256-310-6852. You can go on our website and check out more pictures of it, heavymetalauto.com. If you're looking out of state and you want to have it shipped, we can ship it straight to your door. Figure somewhere around $1.25, $1.50 a mile. Just depends on where you're located at. Again, it was a California truck, absolutely no rust, and probably the only reason they got rid of it was because of the new laws out there where you can't have a truck that's over, I think, 14,000 GVW that doesn't use DEF fluid. I'm sure that's probably the only reason they sold it. But this truck's going to be about a seventh of the price of a new one, so just keep that in mind. And another thing, this is a used truck. It's 14 years old. It's got 345,000 miles on it. It's as is. It has absolutely no warranty. Don't call me and ask, does a truck with 350,000 miles have a warranty on it? Because I'll probably laugh at you. This thing may run for another 345,022 miles, and you may not have to spend a dime on it. And you may have to spend a dime on it the day you get it. I don't know. I can't look into the future and tell you what's going to happen to a vehicle. I hope that it lasts forever and you never have to spend $1 on it. But if you do, that's your responsibility. If you want a new truck with a warranty, you got to go spend the $150,000 and buy a new one, not $21,000. So just keep that in mind. Again, it runs out perfect right now. Everything works on it, air conditioning, radio. It's a nice truck. That's about it on this one. Give us a call. We're working every day. We're not scared of the coronavirus. The media is trying to scare people. So give us a call. We're here. Thanks.